Assalamualaikum viewers, how are you all? I hope you all are fine with the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to our channel Smart Collections Plus. Explore the timeless elegance of flower embroidery work shari design in this video. From intricate floral patterns to modern embroidery styles, we showcase a stunning shari design that are perfect for wedding parties and everyday wear. Whether you prefer bold, colorful blooms or delicate pastel embroidery, you will find inspiration to elevate your wardrobe. Watch till the end to see how those beautiful designs can transform your look with grace and charm. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more unique shari design ideas. I hope you enjoyed. If you liked what you saw, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. Your feedback means a lot to me, so drop a comment below with your thoughts or suggestions for future videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content.